Welcome to the Ownership Review, where we do a bunch of maintenance to see what this car is like to live with on a daily basis.
Here are the high points of the 2018 Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross. The headlight is accessible by reaching behind the bulb housing. You may need to remove a cover, but no tools nor extensive parts removals will be required in order to change it. The transmission fluid dipstick is in the front of the engine bay. The white handle makes it quick to spot, and you won't have to make a long reach when removing or replacing it. The reverse light is accessible by simply reaching behind the rear bumper. No tools nor cover removals are required to change this bulb. Not everything is perfect. Here are the pain points. The remainder of the taillights have more difficult access, as you must take out the entire rear bulb housing in order to reach any of the bulbs. This will require tools and a bit of finagling to remove the housing from the vehicle. Some of the non-LED headlights, such as the fog light and one of the front turn signals, will require the wheel well lining to be pried back before you can reach them. This will require multiple tools as well as a bit of force, as the lining is rigid and can be difficult to pry back. A large panel from underneath the vehicle must be removed in order to access the oil filter or the lower radiator hose. This will require you to work upside down while using tools to remove this bulky panel, which will make for cumbersome oil changes and coolant flushes. Overall, the 2018 Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross is a somewhat easy vehicle to maintain, but prospective owners should still be prepared for quite a few lengthy and complicated maintenance procedures.